Hello. I got a package from the first Supreme drop, and we are gonna go over it. I am outside currently, fitting the pine tree. What this channel is about. There's like a highway behind me. There's basketball courts this way. This is usually where I read. This is where I usually do a little bit of studying. It's a little nice little spot. And yo, look at this. Bang! Oh, you can't really see it, but you know, mountains and shit. There's flies. It's gonna be a hectic review. We're gonna get it done, or unboxing. It's gonna be a very hectic unboxing. Sometimes there's people up here, but yeah. I thought I was gonna be done with Supreme for a while, but I don't know, stuff happens. Stuff fucking happens. So we're out here. The Supreme bag. Yeah, this is a little too crazy for me right now. I'm outside. I'm worried. The audio's probably shit. You probably hear the cars going behind me. But we're out here. So boom, bag. Came a little late, but that's just what happens, Sun's in my eyes. I'm gonna try to open up my eye. Apartment's behind me. They can see me. They're getting a live view. Alright. Okay, so first, I was gonna do a Supreme season video going over everything, but stuff happened and it didn't happen. I really wanted it to happen, but it didn't happen. Your boy's getting a little big. So we have just the freaking stickers, whatever. As you can see, you got I think it's like Supreme Life or like Fuck Supreme in the hands. You can't really see it. Then you have the bottle openers. Teas were kind of trash. With the piece I got, I needed a little. So I have like a huge jacket, snow jacket, and I need something for a little like the 50-degree weather, maybe even 40 a little, because it gets cold here where I'm at. I'm in Argentina. It gets cold here, No, but let's open it. And I also oh shit, yeah, we also had to get the freaking bouncy ball. The motherfucking bouncy ball. Yo, this is actually kind of legit. It's kind of legit. A little bit legit. I need to get the free gift. Astro World. Bam. Bam. Let's see this beat. What'd I get? What'd Zach Lopez get? Zach Lopez spending big money. He's not buying teas anymore. He still is. He's not buying teas this drop. It's something other than a tea unboxing. Oh my god. It's this freaking parka. It's a fucking parka, bro. It's a parka. With the, what's his... I think his name is like Cheeto or something. No, this freaking pop. I think this shit's hard as... I think it's hard. I think it's a nice little design. They should put on freaking tee, but they didn't. But this shit is... I love this shit. I shouldn't swear, but I love this. It's so dope. Now let me try it on. Let me try it on. While y'all wait, some kid I know just got into this shit. This Supreme. Gotta stop swearing. Oh, okay. I was about to go XL on this. That would have been a mistake, I think. Oh. Oh god, you're seeing the fit. You're seeing the fit come together. This is, I think, 2014. This ain't that new stuff. I didn't even go this year. It's a little big. It's a little big on me, I think. I know it's a little big on me. I'm actually kind of surprised. Really surprised, actually, because the other parka I got, it was a large too, and it fits a lot smaller than this. So, I think this is a little big, but it's fine, because I usually layer, always throwing some hoodies and stuff on there. So, I guess it's okay for what it is, you know. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share with your friends on Facebook and stuff. Help me out. Or post the Reddit or some stuff. I just got kicked off of there. Thanks. It's 70 freaking degrees out and I still got this jacket on.
I don't open up a door, she open mine. I need less stress and I need more thighs, yeah. We on a jet quest, mobbing with the tribe, yeah.